Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to add delivery address on Amazon. So it's pretty simple, so let's start with it. So first go to your web browser and search for amazon.com. So let me do that, amazon.com, and then it's going to take me to its website. And after you come to its website, you need to log into your account. If you haven't logged in, I have already logged in. So after logging into your account, to add a delivery address, you can click on this button over here where it shows the location mark. After you click on it, you can click on manage address book over here. I've already entered two address, so it's showing me manage address book. But if you haven't entered any address, then it's going to ask you to enter an address first. So click on manage address book and enter the password of your account to confirm it's you who's using this account. Then it's going to take you to this page over here. And on this page, you can click on add address. And over here, you can enter your address over here, like which country you're from, your full name, your phone number, your address, your street address, your APT suite or building number, etc., and the city name and the state and the zip code, and click on add address. And after filling up the form correctly, your address should be added over here just like this, as you guys can see over here, these two address. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification turned on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.